All right, you can see a frame here. It's a triangular shape frame, and we're going to draw the water body here. Within the blue lines, you can see I'm putting the blue color. Okay, so this blue is going to be the water. Mm-hmm. To the border, you can put the blue very strongly, but sometimes you need to mix up the water to have the drawing effect very clearly under the nice effect. Okay, so blue is going to be color on all sides. All right. Mm-hmm. So you can see the ups and downs within the light strokes. You can see the wave pattern is getting very thick or thin. So these are the blue wave of the water, and you can just add a little bit water on the top. Just put the color for the sky. Just put little bit, the irregular shapes here. Just put the brush strokes like this one. Okay, it defines the sky. Almost it looks like a cloudy sky, so cloudy sky looks like this. So just we draw painted a cloudy sky. Okay, so here's the cloudy sky. Here the you can see the water. Now I'm going to take the dark color, black color, and putting a sailboat. Just drawing the figure of the boat here. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Quite larger boat, isn't it? Yeah. Now we are going to draw the sails. It's gonna be the sail. Okay. And just put the ropes here, very light strokes. Put the ropes here. And the boatman just sitting around. Okay, very nice, easy painting. Just putting some reflections on the water and some other skylines. You can see the separation points. Okay, very simple and easy drawing. All right, so here you can see some diffusions of the colors. So just try to mix it up in a lighter color theme. Okay, all right. So now the painting is going to be little bit okay. So sometimes you have to do the corrections. All right, so this is it. This is the drawing. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.